Good day everyone, my name is Nurul and Fatihah binti Ahmad Nazri from Faculty of Electrical Engineering at Universiti. This is my supervisor, Dr. Mohamad Fateh. And my title is the prediction of the photovoltaic power output based on the real data using adaptive Neuro fuzzy inference system. The demand of installing solar panel in many homes and business has increased. To ensure that the PV system produces the maximum power output, several aspects must be considered, including the solar radiation and the temperature of the PV panel. This project proposes an improvement of PV power output using the UNFIS. The real data is collected from the PV panel that has been installed at Universiti. The computational method is constructed using the power output formula, while the UNFIS configuration is constructed using the MATLAB software. The result from both methods will be compared, and supposedly the UNFIS configuration will produce more accurate outcome to the real data. The problem statement is that the PV power output can be predicted by focusing on the environmental factors such as the solar radiation and the PV temperature. This study is proposing two ways on predicting the PV power output, which is the computational method and the UNFIS configuration. The objective of this study is to collect the real data of PV power output for 6 months. The second one is to predict the power output using the computational method. And lastly, to develop the UNFIS configuration to predict the PV power output. The ideal description of these studies is the PV power output real data for the 6 months has been collected. The prediction of the PV power output has been obtained using the computational method and being compared to the UNFIS configuration. And lastly, the developed UNFIS configuration is able to predict more accurate PV power output than the computational method. The novelty of this study is that the UNFIS intelligence system is designed to predict the PV power output. This system development can assist the industry and students in predicting the PV power output in simple and quick manner. The benefit of this study is that the real data collected will be used as sample of the system development. The computational approach will be applied to measure the effectiveness of UNFIS configuration. UNFIS is a hybrid intelligence that can predict the PV power output by merging the neural network and the fuzzy logic principle. With this study, it can be commercialized to the IPTA, IPTS, the Solar Research Center, and the Solar Training Center. This idea has been participated in the Innovas 2022 competition and get the Bronze Award for the idea category. The research study is based on the data collection which has been collected at the site using the thermometer to measure the PV cell temperature and the solar power meter to measure the PV irradiance, and from the solar inverter to measure the voltage and current of the PV panel. This is the table of data collection that has been collected for the past 1 month. So that is all from me. Thank you.